What we built over there is what we're building over here. Hi everybody, it's April. Spring is in the air. Let's show you what's going on at Paradigm Grand. Okay, so last time we were here, we were on the 5th floor. Currently, we're standing on the 13th floor on the East Tower. On the West Tower, we're on the 11th floor. You can see we're pouring a slab right now with the pumpcrete. Very cool stuff happening. Let me explain to you what's going on down here. So that's the 7th floor. That would be an amenity space. It'll be an outdoor terrace with day beds, barbecues, hanging out, enjoying the sun. Underneath is the pool, indoor pool. It's 2 stories. It also has 2 outside areas for lounging, enjoying the sun, and a workout area. It's fantastic, just like everything else at Paradigm Grand. These are called fly tables. So these move up as the building progresses going upwards. They fly out with the crane. You pour the slab on top and then you fly them out. Then you have to put jacks to support underneath. On each building, Tower D and E, we have 2 hoists to bring up men and materials. So that really saves the crane to make the building flow and the efficiencies much better. After the windows are installed, SDA, our drywall contractor, studs the outside walls. As you can see, they start on the outside walls. This will be insulated, inspected by the city, then drywalled. After that, they'll do the corridors, then the interior of the units. Each unit at Paradigm has at least 1 or 2 heat pumps. So this allows heating and cooling as you need it for your comfort. We're installing precast at Paradigm Grand. So this is pre-manufactured in Toronto. It comes here pre-made and they assemble it on site like a jigsaw puzzle. And along with the windows, it closes in the envelope of the building. Great progress here at Paradigm Grand. It's an excellent building, excellent city, and the best time to buy is right now.